Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, founder of mandeeps.com, and in this video we'll be working with our MailChimp extension for live forms module. So let's get started. The idea is very simple. We want to collect leads on our DNN site and push those out to our MailChimp subscribers. What I have here is a simple form, basically first name, last name, and an email address. And ultimately I want whenever someone submits this or subscribes on this form to push that data out to MailChimp. So let's jump over to our MailChimp portal, and I'm looking at the MailChimp dashboard here. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at our list. As you can see, I have two different lists created. One is general and other is a newsletter list. There are no subscribers in either of these lists right now, and ultimately I would like to go ahead and add subscribers to my newsletter list whenever someone completes that form. So let's see how we can do that. We'll go ahead to the manage options, actions. We're going to simply say that whenever someone submits this form, we want to go ahead and add a subscriber to our MailChimp list. So let's go ahead and give this action a name, and to integrate with MailChimp we need an API key. So let me jump over to the documentation on mandeeps.com and let's take a look how we can get an API key for MailChimp. It's actually a pretty simple process which is documented here. You will log into your MailChimp account, and from your profile you can simply go ahead and create a new API key. Just refer back to the documentation for step-by-step instructions, and whenever you have your API key ready, simply go ahead and paste that back into live forms. So let's jump over to live forms, and I have my key here which I'm going to paste and hit validate key. And what this does, this makes sure that the key is valid, and it brings a list, all your available list from MailChimp. As you can see, I had two list availables and they show up here. I'm simply going to say that whenever someone completes this form, add them to the newsletter list. An email address is required, so make sure you map that to an email field. Then first name and last name are optional, but I'm just, for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and map these to any textual fields on your live forms. And that's it. We're done with the integration. We'll simply click save and we're done. We'll close out of this, hit save and return, and give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and hit subscribe. I should see a default thank you message here in live forms, but more importantly, if I switch over to MailChimp and click on my newsletter list, I should now see a subscriber. Now this is cached, so there might be a slight delay. Just give it a couple seconds and you should see it appear here. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page once, and there we go. Now we see the email address and the first and last name. So that's it. That's it for this short video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to open a support ticket and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video.